Hi! In front of me is VIVO V21 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now choose lock screen and wallpaper, click on themes over here and tap on one of the available ones. Then select apply and wait. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go back into the same settings. This time click on default and select apply as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!